50 years ago, this was nothing but sand, heat, and silence. No roads, no skyline, no sound of engines. Today, that same stretch of desert is home to more supercars per capita than almost anywhere on Earth. How did a barren coastline become the place where Bugattis idle at red lights and gold-plated cars are a common sight? The answer begins with oil, but oil alone doesn't explain it. In the 1960s, black gold started flowing beneath the sand, and with it came a decision that would change everything. Rather than simply extract wealth, the rulers of this land chose to build a spectacle, a city designed to be seen. Roads were paved wider than they needed to be. Tax laws were rewritten to attract the world's richest. Zero income tax, zero import restrictions on luxury vehicles, a blank canvas for excess. Word spread fast. If you had money and wanted to show it, there was suddenly one place on Earth built exactly for that. Car dealerships that once sold sedans began importing machines most countries would never see in showrooms. Then came the tourists, and the rental economy exploded overnight. Anyone could drive a Lamborghini for an afternoon, and social media turned every ride into a global advertisement. Police forces themselves began patrolling in Ferraris and Bugattis.
Not for speed, but for image. The message was clear. This city didn't just tolerate luxury, it performed it. Soon, abandoned supercars littered on curbs became urban legend stories of owners who simply walked away when a car got scratched. Car culture here isn't about driving, it's about being witnessed. Every supercar on these streets is a symbol of arrival, of success, of a story someone wants the world to see. What started as a desert outpost is now a stage, and the cars are its most expensive actors. The rest of the world builds roads to get somewhere. This city built roads to be watched.